Everything you're about to see was created using AI.
Wait, this isn't even real. What you're watching right now is not real. I can change my outfit. I can create content, real, useful, engaging content, without ever showing my actual face, without needing a camera, lighting, or even leaving my house. You can run a faceless brand or channel, no burnout from being on all the time. You can produce content in bulk, multiple videos a day instead of one every few days. You can test different looks, tones, even languages without booking a single shoot. You can protect your privacy while still building an audience and a business. People are already using this exact method to run YouTube channels, sell digital products, build personal brands, and grow social media pages.
Pretty believable, right? The funny part is, I never left my room. This entire scene was generated with AI, and in this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how I did it. I'm going to show you how to create your own AI clone that can make content for you without you ever stepping in front of a camera. Whether you are shy, too busy to film every day, or you want to start creating content without ever showing your real face, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process. If you enjoy videos like this, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and trust me, I won't waste your time. Let's get started. All right, the first tool we're going to be exploring is the Pinterest. So just head over to pinterest.com on your browser. You can do this on your phone, right? So just go to your app store or your Play Store if you're using your mobile phone and download Pinterest, or you use your web browser and type pinterest.com. This one, pinterest.com. Okay, so you just come over to the sidebar and type podcast ideas, right? Podcast studio, podcast background for women, or podcast for women, so that you have an idea of what to create. This is actually a method for those who do not want to go through creating your background or creating your stuff from the scratch. Okay, so there are different styles, as you can see right here. You just need to go through them and choose the one you like. Just go through them and choose the one you like. So what you're going to be doing is, for whichever one you're going to be going with, you can just click on it and download. It does not have to be in form of podcast. You could just say background for content creation, and it's going to give you different ideas. Explore. Just go to Pinterest and you see different styles. You can see different ones, the ones without microphones and the ones with mic. So let's go with this one. I'm going to right click on this and save this image on my device. So you can download this as well on your mobile phone. Once that is sorted, the next step is to generate your own AI photos. Head over to ChatGPT. On ChatGPT, click on the plus sign and bring in the image we downloaded. Now, I've selected the image I got the other time, and I'm going to enter this prompt, right? I'll just say analyze this image without the subject's description, analyze the background, the outfit, the pose, etc. And then we're going to send. I have two responses, and I'll just go with one. So look at the settings and all of that. And I'll just click on one of them. I prefer this. So I'm going to copy this prompt. And you see, I'm going to copy this exact prompt, then modify it. So I'm going to click on the plus sign, click on add photos, and go and put 2 or 3 of my photos. The reason is so that the AI tool, ChatGPT, recognizes your face properly, your facial features and everything. I'm going to be picking some of my photos like this one, and I'm going to click open. All right, so I'm going to paste this particular prompt that I got from ChatGPT. Just go through it and do some edits. ChatGPT will paste the prompt for you somehow. You just have to edit it, clean it up. Now you're going to have this particular prompt. Keep my exact face, preserve my skin tone, preserve hairstyle, preserve my body type. So if you don't want it to preserve hairstyle, you can just take this off, because already we asked it to analyze the person without the subject. Just tell it to preserve my hairstyle and take that part off. So once that is done, I'll just go ahead and hit generate. So before you hit generate, please specify the aspect ratio you want. You want it in 16:9, or you want it in 9:16 for short videos. So once you do that, you click on generate. And you see how clean and beautiful this picture is. It looks so real. It looks exactly like me. You can change the aspect ratio to 9:16, or for you to create the 9:16 version for you by clicking here, and it will definitely do that for you. I'll just save this picture somewhere on my system, and then we'll move on. There are different ways to go about this creation of your photos. You can actually ask it to put you in a luxury office. You can ask it to put you in an outdoor park. All right, so I said, put me in China. Open space, holding a selfie stick. Do not show the camera or phone. Show China presence on the background. Show me trying to catch up with an appointment. Change outfit to a white hoodie. Change hairstyle to a long blouse, wave with side part hairstyle. So I'm actually trying to change my look and my location with this simple prompt. And I'm also going to specify the aspect ratio 16:9. And then I'm going to send this. This is so good. I can come to this part, edit, and change the aspect ratio to 16:9. And it's going to generate that for me. I generated others. I put myself in a living room scene. I said, use a different outfit, a white hoodie, and it did this for me. You know, it was just simple prompts. I didn't really put much prompts like in detailed. I just said, use a different outfit, a white hoodie, because already in the memory of this conversation, it has taken note of my face, right? And probably the hairstyle. So it said, true and error there, and I said, try again. And it did this for me, right? It did this for me. I put myself in the kitchen. Can you see? Put me in the kitchen without holding a mic, show my face, retain my skin color, and show me washing the dishes. You know, these are just ways you can use to create content. Whichever content or what type of content you want to create, that's why I'm doing all of this. So you can explore whether it is lifestyle videos, educational content, whatever it is you want to do with your AI twin, you can use this method I'm showing you. So after getting your images ready, now the next step is to make your AI photo say whatever you want it to say. It depends on the type of content you want to create. If you want to create an educational content, there should be a script that your avatar or your photo will say. You know, whatever it is, just go to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will help you generate your script. Now you head over to this website, HeyGen. Either you use your voice or you use AI voice, right? So if you want to use your voice, you head over to this particular tool, HeyGen, HeyGen.com. I'm going to put the link in the description box or in the comment section in your browser, or click directly. Now in HeyGen, you'll be asked to sign in. You can sign in with Google or with Apple or use your email option. I'm going to be using the sign in with Google option. I'm going to pick any email account that I have here. So once you're logged in on HeyGen, we'll just click on this part, photo to video. We have two options, script to video, photo to video, right here. So it's on photo to video by default since I clicked on photo to video picture. So we're going to upload the avatar video, the one any of them, any of your avatar video, upload it. Click on this part where we have voice. And then you're going to bring in import from third party. You click on import from third party. So it means that you would have recorded your voice, right? Use any audio recorder. Like you can just come online and search for this particular tool. So just search for any voice recorder. Go to Google and search voice recorder. I use this one in particular, voice.ai. So I'll click on this now. Okay, and this is what is going to show me. So we'll just click on start recording, and then you read your scripts. Just read your scripts, and once you are done, you click on stop recording, right? So once it's done recording, you go ahead and save. Just download right here. So make sure that the voice you're recording matches the length of the video you want to create. Let's say you want to create a video of 15 seconds, 30 seconds. Your voice recording should be up to 30 seconds. And on the HeyGen, when you come back to the HeyGen platform, you come here and click on import from third party. So on this part where we have voices, click on voices or voice, then click on clone your voice. Then it will ask you, allow this time, then you can record directly on this platform, or you record using any other tool. So you click on upload audio and then upload the audio you recorded or you saved earlier. I'm going to pick the audio I recorded earlier. Okay, I'll click on this now and click open. So it's going to import it right here. So let's play it. This is not real. The funny part is I never let enter single AI, and it is real. I will show you exactly how I did. Now I'll click on generate voice. You just need to wait for a few seconds to do that. Okay, so this is my audio uploaded. I'll click on add voice and then it generates. So before you generate, come to this part. 720p is free, 180p is requires some credits or will need to upgrade. And the settings, you know, more expressive motions is asking me to upgrade for that. Okay, so I can only leverage on this part, 720p for free. And then I'll just go ahead and generate. The aspect ratio is landscape already. You can see my picture is landscape. That's 16:9. Well, this one is portrait. I'm going to be living on landscape, but that's the size of my photo. And then I'll generate. Okay, as you can see right here, my video is ready. Just come to this part where we have the notifications and then view my avatar review. And then We have two versions of avatar video created for meeting. It's asking me which one do I prefer. This is not real. So I'm going to click on I prefer this one. I played both of them. I think I prefer this one. And then I just click on submit. It's asking me some questions. Then right here I can go ahead and download. So please note that it's not free to download on this platform, right? Most AI video generators are not free nowadays. Even if you have some free tools, they have some credits that are attached to them, which when they get exhausted, you won't be able to create more. So this is just a workflow on how to go about it, right? So another method is to use any other AI generator like Grok and make them talk naturally in the AI voice. It won't be your voice. So right on Grok, we'll click on Imagine. I have several tutorials on how to use Grok on this channel. You can check some of my videos out, just in case you're a beginner. So right here, we're going to click on this plus sign and upload our avatar. So whatever the AI is going to be saying will be uploaded. After uploading the photo, you just paste the script bit by bit. AI cannot say too much at a go. And on Grok, we have 6 seconds, 10 seconds, and 15 seconds. So for the speed that I want my AI photo to say, it's not going to be more than 10 seconds. I just envisage that. So I've added the prompt. The prompt just states how you want your photo to behave. Like in this one, character move fast while talking. Character says whatever she's going to be saying is going to be in quotes. And then the action, looks back, faces front again, and then continues moving. Other characters in the background walk and move normally. So I'm only stating this prompt based on my own, and read sentences clearly in Nigerian accent, clear and clean video, no distorted or blurry face. Use exact uploaded face so it doesn't change the face. So this is just what I'm going to put here, and then I'll put the video on 15 seconds. So we will do all of this within 15 seconds, and then we'll hit generate. So kindly note that you can create any type of video, whether it is the podcast style photo you upload, you can upload it and give whatever your character is going to be saying, just be putting it, create them in seconds, in beats. You paste the number of words you feel your character can say within 10 seconds, within 15 seconds, and then you generate. You save that clip, you extend. You can use the extend feature in Grok to extend your video, right? Paste your script again, and you continue like that till you have up to 30 seconds video. You download it, upload your character again, and continue to create those clips. Then you head over to a video editing tool like CapCut and put all of them together in form of a video. So this explains the workflow on how to create avatar videos like this without ever showing your face. A lot of channels, a lot of creators are using this method. You don't even know them, and they are making their money. I'm going to be sharing this prompts. I'll share this template in my Telegram group, and just join my Telegram group using the link in the description box or somewhere around this video or in the comment section. So as you can see, it's
Pretty believable, right? The funny part is I never left my room. And in this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how I did it.
So please do well to like and share this video with other creators, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.